Now, what is a disk partition? A disk partition is just a separate storage space that is treated as an independent drive or a physical drive. Now, why are these created? You can create these to organize your files like games, videos, documents, music files, or even use it to install an operating system. So the first thing that we're going to do is head over to File Explorer and go on this PC and try to check how many partitions you have. So in my case, I have 3 partitions. Then we're going to go to our search bar and type create and look for create and format hard disk partitions. Click there. Okay, this window shows up. As you can see, I have 3 disks, disk 0, disk 1, and disk 2. I don't know, in your case, you might have more or less. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to select which disk you want to create the partition. I am going to use disk 0. You can use whichever disk you have. So you are going to click there, and then afterwards you're going to right click on the same space, then go to shrink volume. So here you see this window, and then on the second line you can see the amount of space that is available for us to shrink. I don't know, in your case it might be higher or lower than mine. So you are going to decide how big the partition is supposed to be. So I am going to go with 20 GB. You can go with whichever value you want. As you have noticed, on the left hand side it says enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes or MBs. So what we are going to do is that we are going to convert this 20 GB into megabytes by adding 3 zeros to it. Then we are going to click shrink. Then as easy as that, the space has been created. You can see it from there. But if you come to the right hand side, you will notice that that space is not showing in the File Explorer. Why? Because this space is unlocated. So what you are going to do is head over back to the space that you have created and right click there, new simple volume. Then click next, follow the steps. Then this is the amount of space that we have chosen. Then click next afterwards. Then here you are going to select the letter that you want to give to your partition. So you can go with whichever letter. I'm going to go with W. Then click next. We're going to leave these settings on default. Click next. As I am finalizing, pay attention to the right hand side in the File Explorer. This disk will be created automatically. And as easy as that, without breaking a sweat, that is how you create a hard disk partition.